This question is from geometry. In this question, we are given three squares with side 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 8 centimeter. And we need to find this colored area or shaded area. So let's see how we can find this shaded area. We will be solving this question in three parts. Let's see what is the first part of the solution. In first part, we will be proving three triangles similar to each other. Which are these three triangles? For that, we will be labeling the figure first. Let this point be point A, let this be point B, point C, point D, point E, point F, and point G. Correct? Now, these three similar triangles are triangle A, F, G is similar to triangle A, D, E, similar to triangle A, B, C. First of all, why these three triangles are similar to each other? Let's see. Can you see this angle A? This angle A is common to all three triangles. This angle A is common to all three triangles. Apart from this, please look at this angle. This angle is 90 degree. Yes, this angle is 90 degree and this angle is 90 degree because these are angles of a square. As you can see, there are two angles which are same in all the three triangles. One is this angle A and next is 90 degree angle. So these three triangles are similar to each other. Yes. Now why we have proved the similarity, we will look at part 2. Let's jump to part 2 of the solution. In part 2, we will be using one property related to similar triangles. Which is this property? The property says that when two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, so let's use this property in triangles. We will be using this property in triangle AFG and triangle ABC. According to this property, I am taking side AF from triangle AFG and the corresponding side from triangle ABC will be AB. This will be proportional to FG over corresponding side BC. Correct? Let's mark these sides in the figure first and then we can continue with the solution. AF will be 3 centimeter because this is a square. FD will be 5 centimeter and DB will be 8 centimeter. Correct? Now let's jump to the question again. AF is 3. AB is 3 plus 5 plus 8, that is 16. Correct? AB is sum of all the three sides of this figure. This is equals to FG upon BC. BC is 8. If I solve this, what I will get? I will get FG as 3 by 2 centimeter. This will be FG, 3 by 2 centimeter. Let's mark this in the figure, 3 by 2 centimeter. Okay. Now, similarly, I'll be using triangle ADE and triangle ABC and applying this property. In triangle ADE, side AD upon side AB from triangle ABC proportional to DE over BC. Correct? Now, what is AD? AD is 3 plus 5, 8 centimeter. AB is 16 centimeter. DE we need to find out upon BC. BC is 8 centimeter. Correct? Now, if I solve this, DE will turn out to be 4 centimeter. Correct? Let's mark this in the figure. DE is 4 centimeter. After this part 2, let's jump to third part of the solution. As you can clearly see, this colored region or shaded region is of the trapezium. Yes, this shape is of a trapezoid or a trapezium. What is the area of a trapezoid or a trapezium? It is half times sum of parallel sides into height. Yes, so we will be using this formula to find the area of the shaded region. So this is half times sum of parallel sides. So parallel sides are FG plus DE times height. Height is FD, correct? Now, if we use this rule, what will be the sum of parallel sides? It will be 3 by 2 plus 4 times FD. FD is 5. This will be 55 by 4 centimeter square. So this will be the area of the shaded region.